Today, we're going to make and serve up the best Colorado Bulldog you've ever had. And guaranteed, this sweet and creamy drink is way easier to make at home than you'd think. I'm gonna use a tall glass for my Colorado Bulldog. You could totally use a short glass if you prefer. The shorter the glass, the boozier the cocktail is going to taste. About 1 ounce of Kahlua goes in first, followed by about 1 ounce of vodka. You could use vanilla vodka if you wanted it to be extra sweet. Now we're gonna add in the dairy. When it comes to the dairy, you have options. You can use whole milk, half and half, or heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna meet in the middle with half and half. The more fat that's in your dairy, the less boozy your Colorado Bulldog is gonna taste. And now here's what differentiates the Colorado Bulldog from the White Russian: Coca-Cola. Just add in a nice generous splash. Grab yourself a little mixing spoon and get to stirring. Now here's where we can really have a good time when we're entertaining with this cocktail. I'm gonna add some nice little garnishes to the top. First thing going down, whipped cream. And then to top that off, chocolate syrup. I know I'm gonna make a mess, just gonna go with it anyway. And of course, we have to top it with a cherry. Add the straw. Let's give it a try. This is pretty much grown-up chocolate milk, guys. You have to be careful with this one. It's got all the booze and you taste pretty much none of it when you make it like this. If you're looking for more awesome holiday cocktail recipes to entertain with, be sure to check out my cocktails playlist next.